Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 23rd, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, IT and technology, pharma, energy and power, auto, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. HDFC Bank dropped sharply -2.08% to 761.45 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RBI intervenes to support rupee as currency nears record low in USD. Net interest margin is under some pressure from deposit cost competition, but the liability franchise, the cheapest deposit base in private banking, is the structural moat. Any RBI commentary on the bank's operational constraints being lifted would be a significant re-rating catalyst. Moving to IT and technology, TCS dropped sharply -1.90% to 2,208.30 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower as investors await technology earnings. Large deal wins, measured by total contract value, are the most important signal for TCS revenue trajectory over the next 12 months. BFSI and retail verticals in North America are the key spending sectors to watch. Any IT budget revision by US banks would move TCS estimates meaningfully. Moving to pharma. Dr. Reddy's dipped -1.40% to 1,206 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower as investors await technology earnings. After today's weakness, the 1,169.82 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Dr. Reddy's. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to energy and power. NTPC is trading higher by +0.94%, at 350.50 Indian rupees. Traders are reacting to news that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ slip as oil prices rise, Alphabet and Tesla earnings loom, Yahoo Finance. With NTPC moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The 359.26 Indian rupees level above and 341.74 Indian rupees below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Moving to auto. Tata Motors is trading lower by -0.79%, at 333.80 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower as investors await technology earnings. Jaguar Land Rover order bank and production volumes are the earnings swing factor. Range Rover and Defender remain sold out in key markets, which is a strong near-term pricing signal. JLR balance sheet deleveraging is ahead of schedule. Watch for any semiconductor supply update that could unlock further production. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 96.56, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.